Hello guys, today we're gonna be installing new tail lights. Me and my cousin tinted these the other day and we're gonna install it today. Yep. We're just gonna unscrew these. Boom, that's the easy part. And then I'll just slide off later when we pull out. And then these ones you could just use like a flathead, or you could use like a little pry bar tool. When you guys get to this portion, we are gonna have to like take this off. We're gonna have to unlock these ones, then unscrew these ones. Take off this whole plastic piece along with this. Check out the difference. This one was all cracked already. This is the tinted one. And then
You gotta show them how to take this off, man.
alright, and then we're gonna use this as well. Gonna take those out, these bulbs. Alright, and then when you guys unscrew these ones, you are gonna have, there's like a little pin that you're gonna have to pry out, open.
Right there, and then these ones just gotta unclip it. Gotta push the tabs, pull it out. Right there. Something on the bottom. Don't forget to
Then
take
we're gonna
these out.
take off these bulbs.
and then put it on the new ones.
Yes, sir. So I'll be right back when I do that. Well, since we're taking this out, we might as well clean this out real quick. We're gonna use a quick detailer. Make sure you don't spray into the wires. You might mess it up. So yeah, and then use a microfiber towel and clean it up. All right, this one we're just gonna pop off and twist and bada bing, bada boom. Make sure it clicks. There we go. First one's done. All right, then we get the new tail light, and don't forget about that. All right, then we just slide it in, then connect the wires onto here, and it should be good. All right, then you just get your screws and screw it back in. Cool. All right, this is kind of hard, so you do have to apply deliberate force. Don't pull down lightly. This you'll break your plastic. Yes, sir. And then we'll just keep making our way down. Almost there.
Put it down a little bit. You put it back, it comes off. But like this, you gotta take this off and put it on here, so you just push it in later.
Okay, that's smart. All right, we got the whole thing off. So now our next task is to unbolt these ones. These ones.
Careful, be back.
I think
You all right?
we got these ones too over here. But yeah, we'll get back with y'all when we unscrew it. All right, now we're gonna change out the third brake light. With this one, you're gonna use like a flathead or some type of prying tool. Take off these little corner pieces, which I've already done. And then you're gonna unscrew it.
Oh, that shit's like cracked too?
Yeah. I tried closing it with tape glue. All right, now that you got these unscrewed, just pop these out. Try not to lose the screws. Oh, just lost the screw.
Yeah, like
And there's a wiring here that you're gonna have to take out. Damn, this thing's broken. Maybe. Get you a little 10 millimeter. Yeah, we could use the magnetic ball. Oh, got a few more.
So you got 4.
4 of those. And then there's also these little tabs that we're gonna have to push up.
These are just some pliers. Actually, we just pull it out.
I use the,
Screwdriver.
I guess, yeah, look at the butt of it.
Pull it from the side and I'll push it out.
Okay.
No, I mean like pull
Oh,
it
from outside. I gotta do these. Do these! Don't lose your nuts. Try to get this little. Oh, got it. Then we also have these 2 pieces over here. Boom, boom. And bam. All right, guys, final piece. Now you just gotta throw this back up in here, and then we're good. You just gotta screw it in.